Welcome students. We will going to continue chapter formation of company. In last video I was discuss about stages of creation of a joint stock company in brief. In this video we will talk about promotion in detail. Okay, let's start with meaning of promotion. Okay, the term promotion refers to the sum total of activities by which a business enterprise is brought into existence. So all those things will be included in the promotion because of the business enterprise come into existence. Okay, according to uh, cw according to Grestenberg, promotion is the discovery of business opportunities and subsequent organization of funds, property, and management ability into the business concern for the purpose of making profit therefrom. So, in last video, I told you that in the promotion, I already told you that in the promotion, four steps are involved. First one is discovery of business idea. Second one is detailed investigations. Third one is assembling, and last is financing for prepositions. Yeah, preparation of financial plan. Okay, so means from where an idea come, and that you have to open a business, and all the process from there till the existence of business will be the promotion process. Okay, the promotion process. So in simple word, whatever plans is going on in our mind to open business, all the process, all the plans from business idea till business came into existence. Okay, now let's move on the stages of promotion. Stages in promotion. The main steps involved in the process of promotion are described below. So there are four stages in the promotion process. Already I told you. Let's discuss. First one is, that is discovery of business idea. Okay, the process of business promotion begins with the conception of an idea or business opportunity. The idea may relate to the starting of a new business or taking over an existing undertakes. Okay, the idea starting a new business may come from an unsatisfied demand, an unexploited resources, an inferior product, or from a new invention awaited commercial exploitations. So, a person or a more person get an idea of starting a new business if the possible in untapped resources or new inventions. Then discovery phase of the promotion consists of the sub steps. First one is as conception of an idea, means basically promoters work begin when idea of starting a new business which can be profitable, yes, undertaken by the company. Okay, the promoters works begins when an idea of starting a new business which can be profitable undertaken by a company. Okay, the promoter may also see some possibilities of gain in the existing line of business. Okay, now let's move on the second stage, that is detailed investigation. Okay, once the idea has been conceived, a thorough investigation is made to establish the soundness of the propositions in terms of technical feasibility and commercial viability. Detailed investigation involved study of market demand and availability and cost of new material, machinery, and other factors of production, degree of potential competition, probable selling price and profit, etc. So, first thing, get an idea. Before implementing the idea, the promoter want to investigation about the idea. So it is necessary for a promoter to investigate idea in detail. We have a detailed investigation before starting a business. For promoter it is necessary. Basically, this task undertaken by the expert. Okay, basically this task of detailed investigation. So basically this task undertaken by expert who take detailed investigation and prepare a reports thereof. Okay, now next point is assembling. Next point is assembling. Once the promoter is convinced of the feasibility and profitability of the proposition, he takes a step to give the idea in practical shape. He persuades other person to join hands with him and get an invention made. If any registered in him name, he may also acquire some patent right. He select the factory sites, uh, decides about the plant of machinery, and contact supplier of raw material, etc. So in the assembling stage of promotion, give a proper shape of their idea by assembling various resources such as managerial and technical ability and physical resources. Okay, so assembling includes such activities such as selection of a site, purchase of lease land, construction of building, securing a potential right, entry in the into contract with persons, any or many others. Okay, next one is, and last one is, that is financing. Last one is financing. At this stage, financial plans are prepared with respect to capitalization, capital structure, time and method of capital issue, etc. The financial requirements are estimated and source from which the money will come are decided. The business proposition is presented to the public in the form of prospectus in order to persuade them that deserve their financial report. So financing of propositions, preparation of financial plan means, financial planning means determining ideal capital structure. Okay, determining ideal capital structure, source and application. Ideal capital structure, source and application. Source mean from where fund inflow, from where fund inflow, and applications mean outflow of fund. Okay, So basically, during this stage, promoters undertake financial planning for the proposal project. Okay, basically, during this stage, promoter undertake financial planning for proposal project. Okay, thank you.